Hey there, planning a trip to Hungary? From stunning architecture to relaxing thermal baths, there is so much to explore. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-visit spots, all in under 3 minutes. Let's begin our journey. First on our list is the heart of the country, Budapest. No visit is complete without witnessing the magnificent Parliament building, a masterpiece of neo-Gothic design. Take a stroll across the historic Chain Bridge. It was the first permanent bridge to connect Buda and Pest, and it remains a symbol of the city's unity and strength. High above the river, Buda Castle offers incredible panoramic views. Wander through its historic courtyards where history and beauty meet at every single corner. The energy of Budapest is truly infectious. From its historic market halls to its trendy districts, it's the perfect starting point for any Hungarian adventure. Next, it's time to relax like a local at the Széchenyi Thermal Baths. It is one of Europe's largest and most famous spa complexes, and for good reason. With its stunning outdoor pools and medicinal thermal waters, it's the ultimate way to unwind and refresh yourself after a long day of sightseeing. The mineral-rich waters have been a cornerstone of Hungarian culture for centuries, offering both relaxation and health benefits in a beautiful setting. Whether you're here to swim or just to soak, the atmosphere is pure tranquility. It's a unique cultural experience you simply can't find anywhere else. If you're looking for lakeside fun, look no further than Lake Balaton. It's Hungary's largest lake and the most popular summer destination for locals and tourists alike. The lake is perfect for sailing, swimming, or simply soaking up the sun on its scenic shores. The breeze here is always refreshing and the views are unmatched. Be sure to explore the charming towns that line the coast. Tihany, with its historic abbey and lavender fields, is a particular highlight you won't want to miss. From family-friendly beaches to romantic evening walks, Lake Balaton truly has something for everyone. It's the perfect place to slow down and enjoy the view. Next, we head north to the historic city of Eger. It is most famous for its medieval castle, which played a heroic role in defending the country centuries ago. As you stroll through the city's elegant streets, you'll feel the weight of history all around you. Eger is a place where the past and present live side by side. Eger is also world-renowned for its wine culture. A visit to the Valley of Beautiful Women is a must for anyone looking to taste the famous local red wines. It's a perfect destination for those who love a mix of deep history, vibrant culture, and of course, delicious local flavors in every glass. Finally, nature lovers should not miss Hortobágy National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a vast open landscape unlike any other in Europe. Here, you can see traditional Hungarian livestock and witness the unique age-old culture of the plainsmen who have lived here for generations. The famous 9-hole bridge is the iconic landmark of the park. It's a peaceful and powerful place that perfectly represents Hungary's natural roots. It is the ultimate place to connect with nature and experience the quiet majesty of the Hungarian countryside, a truly unforgettable stop on your journey. So, which of these Hungarian gems will you explore first? From the bustling streets to the quiet plains, Hungary is waiting for you. Comment below and let us know your favorite spot. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and top 5 lists. See you on the next adventure.